kú dédé wòye o ẹ̀yin tèmi mo kí káàbọ̀ yẹn sórí ìkànnì yẹn CHURCHILLKAY TV tó pé bí láti máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn nípa ti àwọn amúlùdùn àti ipa gbogbo àwọn tó jẹ́ pé ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ káàkiri àti máa ń fi ọ̀rọ̀ náà wá àwọn èèyàn lẹ́nu wò ṣùgbọ́n lónìí àrà ọ̀tọ̀ ìyẹn ló máa jẹ́ torí pé a fẹ́ yànnàná a fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ìyẹn nípa ti ọ̀rọ̀ ti Baba Ijesha ó jẹ́ ohun tó yani lẹ́nu wípé lẹ́yìn bí oṣù méje tí wọ́n kúrò ní ọgbà ẹ̀wọ̀n a gbọ́ pé Baba Ijesha wọ́n lọ́mọ tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n tó níyàwó tó lè gbé sórí ẹ̀rọ káyélujára náà ìdí tá a fi wọn bí nìyẹn lónìí àrà ọ̀tọ̀ ni torí pé kí ló ṣe ṣe pé àdá lónìí a máa sọ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì àti èdè Yorùbá láfi máa ṣe ìyẹn ní apá àti bí Rista báwo ni.
Ó wà pa.
Ṣàlàáfíà ló wà.
Àlàáfíà.
Ó yá kàmọ́ra ni.
Okay, my name is Rachel Salami, and today we just want to talk about what is happening in the online space. For the past few hours, this issue has been trending about Baba Ijesha and CEO Lumin, who have just welcomed their newborn baby. And it has sparked controversies and reactions from netizens and citizens at large because people are confused, people are surprised. I mean, this man just got released barely 7 months ago from prison and now a child. How did this happen? And this is just what I and MC CHURCHILLKAY are here to talk about today.
Okay, let's look at this issue. Now, the Nollywood actor Olariwaju Ominika, widely known as Baba Ijesha, who was released from prison in November 2025. But just few hours ago, or just say a few days ago, the news come there everywhere. Say not be say even new itself. Because they say CEO Lumin, Baba Ijesha, like a kind of a baby shower and all that. Come there everywhere with this
Review
baby.
video.
You understand?
Yeah.
You as a person, what do you feel? You feel say now when you did prison, and in the pakrumo, oh you dada, I've been after prison, then pakrumo, oh you dada. What can you say about this? Like, are you surprised or not normal thing?
I'm surprised though. I'm surprised because this thing now is making my head to turn me. If I'm thinking about it, it's turning on the own. If I'm thinking about this thing from the left, my head is going to the right. Because if I'm thinking about it, right, we said he came out of prison barely 7 months ago, November 14th, 2025, and this is June, right? If we calculate carefully, it takes a woman 9 months to give birth. Okay. On some occasions, 8 months. But this is like barely 7 months. If he came out of prison and then did he have the child? Was it that they were in a relationship already that we were not aware of? It's probably they were in a relationship already and we were not aware of it. Or it was when he came outside that they started the relationship. And if they started the relationship at that time, I don't think it is possible that a full healthy baby boy is out within this period. So I don't really understand it. At first when I saw that video, what came to my mind was
like content.
Exactly.
Or probably they want to release a movie.
Not even a movie.
Okay. Something
to make him trend at the moment because he's, of course, somebody that has gone to jail and come back. His career can never remain the same again. Maybe they are trying to do something to make people remember him or revive his career or his image or something. That's what I thought initially. That's what I still think actually till now.
Really?
Yes.
So for your mind, I think say Lumi and Baba Ijesha know with all this. You don't see the video.
I saw the video.
Anyway, I be like say people gonna check and they put the pictures now. Now see the way Baba Ijesha they touch that anti-belly.
Anything is possible on social media. Anything, they do anything for content. Yeah, it's possible that she gave birth. It might not be his child.
But okay.
Yes, it might be an arrangement. It might be an arrangement.
Okay. Now let's assume that like normally say the baby na born now.
Okay.
What thing will come your mind? And why will you feel like within period of 7 months that they shall don't born begin? What will you feel? What will you think? What can be your conclusion? Because now it's like you are still convinced that no, possible.
It's not like I'm 100% sure before they go misquote me, say I thought.
No, you are just saying you are still convinced now. No, like some people will even say me I've been an AI. I be this one later they say no, this one be AI. Because even the Lume posted this on my Instagram page of about 2 million plus, even go to 3 million followers. So if you go there, how will you feel? You go disappointed.
I won't be disappointed. I won't be disappointed. I don't know, mixed feelings because I believe that everybody deserves a second chance, right? Okay. The fact that he has gone to prison for a crime, even though he still claimed after coming out that he did not commit this crime, he's still standing on the point and the ground that he didn't do this thing that they accused him of doing. Even if he did it, I still feel like everybody deserves a second chance. It doesn't mean he cannot have a family of his own. People are saying things like, how can you as a fellow woman go and give birth for a man that has done this to a child. But I feel like everybody deserves a second chance in life. Everybody deserves to have a beautiful family. Everybody deserves to fall in love.
Okay, now let's see. So many people that be sending their congratulatory messages, to Ijesha and Auntie Mommy Lumi, Mommy
Yes.
Baby. You understand?
Yeah.
And among them we have the Moyo Lawan, and of
Mm.
course with what I'm seeing here too, it's like the Bobrisky has also reacted. Understand? But people are also reacting in another way. Talking of the TV reality star Angel Smith.
Yeah.
Like a question Lumi decision. How do you feel like Smith, does he has the credibility to actually question the decision of someone in marriage or in relationship issue? Smith now.
Why do you think she doesn't have the credibility?
I mean, what the way you do with in female, I don't even in fellow female. Wait, know how many months? Each month.
You know, Richmond.
Who is Kata? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? When I don't gonna give a relationship advice. Relationship therapy, so no get relationship.
You know,
I don't mention anybody name more.
I saw that comment, and I saw how people were dragging her. People were like, there's another person that is saying this thing now. We go here accept, but you coming from you're not even any better. Somebody even said, people were even saying things like a sinner judging another sinner for sinning differently and all of that. But she is not wrong, because if we look at the crime that we said this man committed, if he actually committed it, it is not something that she's a woman and she has something to do with another woman.
Okay.
It is consensual. It's an
Okay.
agreement. They know what they are doing. They are in full support
You know
and
what
everything.
they are doing. The marriage reach too much. They play.
I'm not saying that what they did was right or what they were doing was right, but they knew that this is what they were getting themselves into, right? But this other case is a case of molestation. It's a case of a minor and an adult. It is not something. It's a crime. It's not something that. So, from a woman's perspective, as a woman, when we hear things like assault, molestation, there's a way we don't always like to hear it. There's a way we react to it, because we're always thinking, oh, what if this happens to me? What if this happens to my sister? What if this happens to my child? So she reacted based on that. But I mean, people will always judge. That is why no matter what you're doing, always tend to do good, especially on social media, especially online, because tomorrow you might want to talk about something and people will still take you back to that particular thing that you've done in the past. Like, no be you again. Don't even talk. Don't be your mouth. No be you.
Okay, that is that. If you are still watching us, we're still trying to digest, stories of things that have been happening. And here we talk about real life stories. It could be Yoruba, it could be Pidgin, it can also be English. And of course, I have the beautiful dancer Rista with me on the on this particular episode. Okay, now Rista.
Okay.
Let's move forward. There's something I also saw talking about one Nollywood actress, Miriam Ogbonna. She said, according to her view, revealing that if a man no give her money, she no go love that man. You understand? In fact, she put on her ex handle. No, she said, and I quote,
Okay.
if you don't give me money, I will never ever agree that you like or love me.
Okay.
You have to give me money. Money is also. What can you say about that? Do you agree with that? That a man need to give you money for him to show that truly he love or he likes you?
Okay, so I don't 100% agree with what she said, and I also don't 100% disagree with what she said.
So money is
because
what did they do?
Don't put talk for my mouth.
No, now me I dey ask you.
No put talk for my mouth. See, I don't 100% agree with what how she said it. She said, if you don't give her money, it means you don't love her.
Okay.
Now, giving is a sign of love. If you love someone, you want to give them. That's the truth. If you care about someone,
only
you
for
want to
men.
give.
Like men should be the
Both
only one
men and women. In fact, women gift a lot. If a woman loves you as a guy, that woman wants to go extra mile for you. That's how women are. So men and women, both of them, if they love you, they will give you. That's the truth. But now, the way she centered everything to say that if you don't give her money, you don't love her. There are circumstances where a man might genuinely love you, but he may not have the financial capability to take care of you at that time. It doesn't mean that he doesn't love you. Right? He might love you, but he doesn't have money to give you. That's number one. Number two, a man might have money and spend money on you lavishly, but he doesn't love you. He might give you money because he wants something in return, right?
Like
he might, maybe because he wants to He wants to
Opwe.
exactly
Or Mekwe.
what he said. Yes, maybe because he wants to.
No, it's like, I not do you. Say I'm not you, and you are a female. So I actually want to know your own mind. Don't just say something. Tell us what with that thing. What with that way you think so?
Maybe because he wants to knock you. You will not spend money on you and buy gifts and everything to get you, but it doesn't mean that this person actually loves you. So it goes both ways. Somebody can give you money and not love you, and somebody can love you and want to genuinely give you but does not have. Yes, exactly. But if somebody has money and he doesn't want to give you money and he claims to love you, then that love is not. The love is shaking. Yes, exactly.
Okay. So which one will not choose? As in, you as a person,
Yeah.
if you date person, will say okay, not to get like somebody will say just a date like strongly person. If you date the person, and you know okay, but you don't say okay, they are working.
He's struggling.
Yeah.
He's hardworking, but he still gives me from the little that he has.
Yeah.
Yes.
But wait, I don't understand this now. So this, what is about this one? Like gift? But most time, why they say woman they categorize? I don't know. That's like put up. And they believe say this giving share now man go they give because see what you.
The man is the provider. Is the head of the family. Yes. Now the man is the.
If the head no come balance, if the head no one balance, say the woman no feel help and passion.
Yeah, that's what women do now. Women are the helpmates, the support. But somebody is there, you are just supporting. That's how it's supposed to be. Exactly.
Okay, lastly, we'll talk about this one. Talking about this thing where we say they generate a lot of controversy for the past few days now. Now it be about this after the buying of Alex Okubo, that if he talk something, say as in go there, say the messaging was saying turn out to you understand, say to concerts, and because of that, that investor. Let's say the way even investor, let's say even he said, let's say even common sense. So what do you feel about this? Because you go somewhere, you go bury her, and you see okay, they call it turn out to concert and all that. You converse come out. Who will they invest for?
Exactly.
Now the person, I've been at the program, Abby. I don't know, shall you talk about me and say
I don't think it was right for him to have left like that simply because he said Mercy Chin will turn the ceremony to a concert. Even though, yes, according to him, he said that a burial or a mourning ceremony is supposed to be filled with peaceful songs.
Yes, now
some kind of songs.
Normally, now so it's supposed to be.
Yes. But
because
then
I don't want to agree with you with that one. Say, I just seriously.
Okay.
I basically go somewhere now. Okay, you go some other corner. You can't sing burial song for there. Not possible now. Or you go burial song now. You can't sing for Lorun, Lokon until Jay now, like just
But did that warrant him standing up and leaving that place?
Maybe because if you know COVID, there is now say which kind will you do?
If you know cope as how? It's Daddy Freeze we're talking about.
And we know now, not be Daddy Freeze. We know now.
It's Daddy Freeze we're talking about.
We know now.
The fact that first of all he was the only black sheep in that gathering. Sorry.
And if it's not me talk about
every other person was very white. Daddy Freeze was black. First of all, you already go against the color code. You've already gone against the color code of the ceremony. Now you can still vex, still can't come out. Is you that not still vex and somebody that they're supposed to bounce from the entrance, like you're not wearing the same, you're not following the color or something. You not enter inside, you not still pick false, because that's not the only fault he picked. He picked false with almost everything that happened there that day.
Okay, now let's talk about this one. Talking about something we also talk about Nathaniel Bassey, who will be also gospel artist and also a pastor.
Yeah.
He talks because he gets something about Nathaniel Bassey talks. Maybe like the following day we say he's supposed to see Alex, not Alex mine. But I feel can't talk something. When we say pray, make miracle happen in the life of Alex, making up mine before the Alex mine. What do we talk about? Because this is so people don't drag as people. Some people know say this thing, and no matter what happen now. That you be negative or positive, you go see some people go see get supporter. Just like the case of Baba Ijesha now. People they congratulate people they happy for her, they celebrate her. And just like the case of this waiting Baba that free talk now too. People they support say, true now, why? Even I talk say on a person the miracle, I don't do miracle. What do you feel about these things say come out from the mouth of Daddy Free?
Okay, so firstly, What I know is that you cannot test God. God
Mm.
cannot be tested. It is only God that has the ability to test us. You
Mm.
can't put a situation here and say, oh yeah, now after all, you are a child of God. Raise this man up from the dead.
Eh.
Things
But,
like that, you are
but
trying to challenge God. After
Mm.
all, you talk, say you be God now. Oh yeah, now do this one. Things don't work that way. Everything happens for a reason. If it was his time, unfortunately, he had to go. You trying to bring the fact that, oh, as a man of God, you are supposed to raise this man up. You are supposed to, at the end of the day, all power belongs to Jesus, all power belongs to God. It is not in the hands of a pastor or a minister to raise somebody from the dead. That's what I can
Anyway,
say.
we don't talk. As when they watch and if you see this video, just put your own opinion, your personal opinion on top of all these things we say. We don't talk on the program. So don't forget the channel is CHURCHILLKAY TV. You can subscribe, likes, and also share. Until next time, we go carry another get topic come again. You can just keep on watching. I say bye for now.